Everybody's asking us, should I have my wife work in the business? Everybody's always asked about the question. I would recommend not having your wife work in your business. I'm the guy who goes out there and makes the money, and she's the lady who spends it all.
I actually pay all the bills. I don't spend the money. He spends the money on all the tractors, all the trucks, all of this stuff, all the boy stuff.
It's okay. It's all good for work. At least we don't buy any Gucci
It
bags.
makes more money, right?
Yeah, it makes a
more
little money.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to P.M Landscaping Service. Today we want to walk you through all our operations from the administration office to all our fleets. Hopefully this is going to be a good and helpful video for you guys. Like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. Hey guys, happy Sunday here in Monterey. Here is Rosalind, my wife. She works with us too. She's in operations. Here's our lobby. Here's where all our customer service starts. Here's where we manage all our maintenance accounts, and all our maintenance coordinator works in this room. And let me walk you through, guys, to the rest of the building. This building is about 4,000 square foot, 2.5 acres. We do all our work from this building. And let me walk you through the administration room.
Welcome to our administrative office. This is where all of the magic happens. Everything from office management, accounting, fleet tracking, maintenance related things, everything filters through here. Customer service is key. This is where we get the phone calls every day, and we're able to schedule consultations, design. So that's what happens in this room. Let's go check out our conference room.
Here's our conference room. This is one of the most important rooms at P.M Landscaping Service. Here's where all the magic happens.
All the magic.
All of it. Here we go through all our daily meetings, all our daily briefing, any issues in the company, any operational, anything to do with the company operation, it gets briefed here early in the morning. Also, this room is really useful for us when we met our customer. During the planning and design, we sit with the customer, we'll cast 3D design or ideas and photos into our TVs. And we also use this room as sampling room. We pick all our materials, our colors, our stones, anything to do with planning. We spend hours and hours and hours with customers to come up with the best design suited for them. Here is something that we wish we had a bigger room. This is one of the most popular rooms at P.M Landscaping Service. Next, we'll walk you guys through the rest of the design divisions and the project management divisions on down the hall. Here is the design office. We spend a lot of our time too when it comes to installations. Here's when we do all our ideas in the whiteboard. We like to do some of that old school. And then of course we do most of our design either by hand sketching, 2D design, CAD, 3D renderings, 2D renderings. We'll be working here for hours at a time. Sometimes we'll go into the planning board and we come up with really good designs here. So this is another important room of PM Landscaping since we're known for design.
So this is our employees, kind of their little hub where they come in every day. They grab their tablet. This has all of our scheduling on it, so they know exactly where they're going. And then all their keys are stored right here. And then they're ready to hit the road.
Here is more project management for landscape, maintenance service again. My office down there, and the media and marketing room was a larger room that we're working on right now. And let me walk you guys outside and let me show you the fleet. Starting from here is most of our administration vehicles and supervisory vehicles. We choose a smaller type of vehicle like the Rangers. Fuel efficiency is a really important thing for us. Having a fleet of over 40 vehicles, we wanted to reduce our fuel consumption. So what we start doing is replacing, V8 engines and V6 engine, and trying to go more of a 4-cylinder engine or a EcoBoost engine with Ford. We've been a Ford customer for almost 14 years right now. They treat us really well. Their service is spectacular, and we try to always run all our equipment without having any issues, and their service is great. So here, as you can see, is all the rangers, project managers, maintenance supervisors, administration and design with escapes, smaller F-150 for the hospitality division in maintenance. On the left, you'll see all the vent setup. We use all the vents, not only because they're great for storage. In a company our size, what we have a lot is problems with storage. So you can have a company, an office, a storage big enough to store everything we own. So as we go through, we walk you through the rest of it. From 350s to 550s, everything you see on the right is utility vehicles. Everything on the right is landscape installation and support vehicles. This vehicle here, for example, is a full-on support vehicle when we have our own cranes. We refuel all our truck and equipment. We have all our liquids and fluids and fuels. We have our own mechanic. We'll do all our field service on site. Also, we use the crane a lot into lifting up boulders, trees, anything to do with field support daily. This is the truck we use. We have our own air compressor, power generation, welding stations. Everything is on this vehicle. This is a must-have for us with this type of size company, and it's been a lifesaver for us. Our tow truck is a Kenworth T270. This is another must-have for our size company. We purchased tow trucks early on, over 12 years ago. We wanted to reduce all these people driving trailers. We didn't want the large liability of driving trailers. And also, the trailers created a huge storage problem, because now you have 10, 20 vehicles, they need trailers. It requires double the space. The tow truck does all our roadside recovery, does all our equipment transports daily. We also use our tow truck for material, pallets. This piece of equipment runs 8 hours a day, and the goal is always being production. This truck goes around from job site to job site, from maintenance account to maintenance account, and it does everything. It can pull trailers, can load up any type of equipment, any type of large mowers, excavators, attachments. This truck is a must-have for us, is a lifesaver, is one of our best units at P.M Landscaping Service. Here next to us is the Freightliner. We have our own dumpster service. So as a large company, we do a lot of large projects. Again, a lifesaver for a company. That's one of the things, if you want to grow a landscape business, you want to invest on. A good vehicle with a lot of different box options that you'll be able to utilize for all different types of applications.
All right, guys, thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, if you guys don't follow us on Instagram, at PM Landscaping Service, hit that follow button. We'll see you guys next time.
Thank you guys again. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.